how to get started with flying FPV drones. First off, don't buy an expensive kit. Just buy the Beta FPV starter kit. It's only $160 and you get goggles, a remote control, and a little drone. It doesn't fly well at all, but you can test it out really quick, see how hard it is, and then you can use the remote controller to start practicing with the simulator on your computer. If you don't want to spend $160, you can buy just the remote controller for 45 bucks and then just start practicing. That's number two. Practice as much as possible with the simulator. I would say practice the races. In the beginning, it's going to feel impossible trying to do the races in that simulator, but if you can get through a race, I would say then basically you're ready to buy your own kit and you can fly out in real life. The one I use, I think is recommended a lot, is Velocidrone. I would recommend still getting like the ProTech 35 or ProTech 25. Unless you're really going to racing, get a racing drone. The DJI drone, I really don't think is, I haven't flown it, but I don't think it allows you to really go as far as you can with an FPV drone because you can't fix it yourself. And yeah, if it breaks, you're gonna have to send it to DJI and then they'll fix it for you. So, because you crash so much, you crash and crash and crash and crash. Even after practicing in the simulator, you're gonna crash in real life so much and you're gonna break drones, you're gonna break props, you're gonna break your rotors, you're gonna disconnect wires, batteries are gonna break, your Cadex FPV camera is gonna break. I've had to replace that already. Yeah, everything's replaceable on this. I haven't tried it, but I can't imagine DJI FPV drone really allows you to go that far to feel confident to crash your drone. You need to be free to crash your drone. Otherwise, you're not going to push yourself to try different things and do really cool things. Maybe people disagree with me. But the DJI goggles and the DJI remote controller work amazing. And the DJI system in there. Oh, practice landing in the simulator. You crash so much in the simulator and it's safe. But I forgot to practice landing. I mean, I kind of started to remember when I got a drone, but the moment I took it up, I was like, how do I land this thing? But yeah, really try to practice landing, just coming over, hovering, coming down to the ground and then turning off the motors. Yeah, that's probably the only other tip. Definitely practice landing. Cool. Hope that was helpful. Again, I'm not a professional FPV pilot, nor am I a FPV racer, so take everything I said with a grain of salt. I'm sure there's a lot of other people online who are more experienced than me and can give even better information.